Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a digital alarm clock. Let's start off by drawing the face with a long rounded rectangle. Then, to give it more depth, add a line going up at a slight angle to the upper left corner that turns and follows along the edge of the face, then turns straight down and angles back to the bottom right corner. Inside, draw another rounded rectangle like so. And in the middle, draw 2 dots for the column. On the right side, draw some really thin trapezoids like so to make a 0. A vertical one here, a horizontal one up here, 2 vertical ones on the right side, a vertical one on the bottom left side, and one more horizontal one here to finish it off. Do that one more time to the right of it for another 0. Do you know why they chose the number 60 to make up minutes and hours? Because 60 can be easily divided by a lot of numbers. It can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. To the left of the column, draw some more trapezoids to make a 2. Start with a vertical one here, a thin hexagon here, a vertical one on the other side, a horizontal one below, and another horizontal one on top. Lastly, draw 2 vertical trapezoids here for a 1. To add some more detail, draw a few angled lines along the side of the alarm clock for the speakers that make the alarm sound. And on top, draw 2 small circles, one for the stop button and one for the snooze button. And now you've got a digital alarm clock. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.